Hi, if you want to enable Google Assistant on lock screen on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, then as a first step you need to find your Google app, open it, and after that tap this circle which is actually your Google profile icon. Now you should select Settings, and in Settings find Google Assistant. After that go in the step Voice Match and Hey Google. And right now you need to tap Get Started first and enable Google Assistant. So tap on the bottom of the display I agree, then scroll and agree again, and now it is ready. So make sure that the switcher is blue near this feature. We can also retrain voice match model to train your assistant to recognize your voice again. If you want to do this, you need to tap here and say aloud everything what you'll see on the display. So now after that, we need to find lock screen tab and make sure that you enabled assistant responses on lock screen if you want to use it on your lock screen. So just tap on the switcher and it will become blue like that. Now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone and trigger Google and ask it to set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Got it. 5 minutes. And that's starting now.
And as you can see, it is working, so we just enabled Hey Google on our lock screen. And we can actually check timer. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.